Hello friends, I am Manisha. Welcome you all in Seva Samajik Vikas Sanstha Satara. In today's session, we are going to continue our point that is column-based filler. So I have already explained you which are the rules or which are the points you need to keep it in your mind while solving such type of problems and how the question can be asked. So here we have already seen two, three examples. Let's continue with the few more examples. So the example on the screen you are able to see Prime Minister said India would put to use its dash of water from the river flowing to Pakistan and dash that every single drop was used for country's farm. Now see the options for the first filling the blank, it is given in column A, and for the second filling the blank, it is given in column B. Now let's see the options contribution, share, and dominant. Now let's see the sentence and put these options here so that we are able to find out the correct option. Prime Minister said India would put to use its a contribution of water or its a share of water or its dominant of water from the river. So it's a share of water from the river flowing to Pakistan and dash. So now see and rationalize that every single drop was used for country's farmer, or under option ensure that every single drop was used for country's farmer, or tolerate that. So definitely we are going to ensure that each and every drop should be used for the country's farmer. So which two options are appropriate here to complete meaningful sentence? So that is for from column A, this one, what share, and column from column B, ensure means B. So second and 5, 2 and 5. So option A is correct here. Now let's see the another example. They were dash before a magistrate who dashed them to the central jail. Deputy Inspector General V.K. Birdi said. Now, see the dialogue it is. They were dash. So they were produced or proponed or presented. So they were dash before the magistrate. So they were produced before the magistrate or presented before the magistrate. Both can be suitable here. But suppose we will see the produce means option second, and presented means option C. So let's see which word is more appropriate here for the second one. Who dashed them to the central jail? So who bound them to the central jail, or who sent them to the central jail, or retained them to central jail? So the word which is more suitable here is that sent them, who sent them to the central jail. So this fifth option won't be there with this third one. So only first and fifth means option B is appropriate here. So see the sentence, meaningful sentence. They were they were produced before the magistrate who sent them to the central jail. Deputy Inspector General V.K. Birdi said. Next one. Some dash in how the job profiles are searched for where special keywords can help the startup dash the search down to certificate who match the requirements more closely. Now let's see the given options in column A and B. Finesse, dedication, smartness for column from column A, that is for first filling blank. So some fineness in how the jobs profile, or some dedication or some smartness So we need to use here noun form. Dedication won't be there. So more appropriate is finesse. So finesse, some finesse in how job profiles are searched for with special keywords can help the startup wide the search, narrow the search, or relative the search down. So more appropriate word can be this narrow the search down to the candidate who match the requirement more closely. So see with these options means first and fifth one, some finesse in how the job profiles are searched for with special key words can help the startup narrow the search down to candidate who match the requirements more closely. So option B, first and fifth, is correct here. So friends, what you have understood, we have to see grammatically that sentence must be correct. At the same time, it should exhibit correct meaning. The management portal that may dash employees about crore values of business should be dash. So demand, develop and educate, that is for first filling the blank, and create, destroy and establish, that is for second filling the blank. Now let's see. A management portal that may demand employees, develop employees, or educate employees about the crores value of the business. So they can educate the employees about crores value of the business. And business should be create, should be destroyed, or should be established. So it cannot be create means already it is there. So destroyed, it will change the meaning of the sentence. So business should be established. So see how the meaningful sentence can be. A management portal that may educate employees about core values of the business should be established. So educate and establish, option C. So in this way, you are able to make the meaningful sentence by using your skill of understanding the meaning of the sentence as well as grammatical rules. So that's all for the day. Thank you for being with me. Have a good day to everyone.